Hey, do you know today's International Friendship Day?
Oh, really?
Yes, and you are my true friend.
But what do you mean by true friend?
Come, I'll tell you.
A true friend is someone who is being kind to us, eats with us, plays with us, and most importantly, shares everything with us.
Friendship is one of the life's most beautiful and precious gifts. A true friend stands by us in both happy and difficult times, offering love, support and encouragement without expecting anything in return. Friends make us laugh, inspire us to become better, and fill our lives with unforgettable memories. They accept us for who we are, celebrate our success, and help us to overcome our failure.
God is my best friend. We're human and need a kind friend every day to help us get along as we work and we play. God is my best friend. Walking to school, doing homework so well, sharing our stories and secrets to tell. God is my best friend. Sharing our tiffin and every sweet bite, in happiness, sadness, in dark and in light. God is my best friend. But when I am lonely and no one's around, a listener for all of my sorrows is found. When trouble surrounds me, he stands by my side. Through low and through bad times, my strength and my guide. For all of my life, till the very end, God is my best friend. God is my best friend.
अखियाँ मेरी पूछ रही हैं दिल को, मेरे चैन नहीं है किथे लड़ाइयाँ वे, तो अखियाँ किथे लड़ाइयाँ वे। कैसे तुझको मैं बताऊँ राहें तेरी तकती जाऊँ, नींदा चुराइयाँ वे, तो मेरी यहाँ नींदा चुराइयाँ वे।
धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना। धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना।
True friendship is built on trust, honesty, kindness, and respect. It is a bond that grows stronger with time and makes every journey of life more meaningful. A world filled with genuine friendship is a happier, brighter, and a more beautiful place.
God is my best friend. We're human and need a kind friend